Does your QuickBooks balance never match your bank statement? Reconciliation is the essential monthly habit that locks in your accurate financial position. Let's walk through it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to the Accounting menu and select Reconcile. Choose the bank account you want to reconcile. Enter the ending date and ending balance directly from your bank statement. Now, check off each transaction in QuickBooks that appears on your statement. Watch the difference field at the bottom. Your goal is to get it to $0. When it does, click Finish Now. My crucial pro tip? Reconcile every single month without fail. Doing it monthly makes it a quick 15-minute review. Letting it pile up turns it into a stressful, hours-long detective hunt. Your future self will thank you for this discipline. Lock in your numbers with confidence every month. Do you reconcile monthly, or does the thought make you sigh? Be honest in the comments. For more peace of mind bookkeeping guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.